Just get the fucking drink.
That's it. I'm going to speak to the captain.
No, I am going to speak to the cap. Why can't I have another fucking drink? Ah! Oh, God! Oh, stop! Oh, please don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! I'll go back to my seat. Please don't hit me.
It was...
No, don't hit me anymore.
You know, I didn't really...
Well, thank you, sir. That man was abusive and he was drunk. Thank you.
Good job. Trying to help them. Helping out. Somebody has to help them. Oh, my... Oh.
What happened?
That was you?
That was me. I jumped on him.
Crazy.
Yeah.
What motivated you?
You know, he was abusing the stewardess, and I just did it.
Yeah.
How about that?
I didn't even think about it, really.
Oh, God.
You're very brave. You are. You're a hero.